Hey guys, this is like a quick video for you, the comparison between the Ironwood XL and also the Woodridge Pro, and what are the things to be aware of if you want to like compare these two. So the first thing is price, right? That you see right here, that is like nearly double X of the Woodridge Pro. Also works fine even with cold temperature, and also better Bluetooth pairing than Ironwood XL, great smoke flavor and lighter weight. Now, it kind of like, the thing is that it feels a little bit cheaper comparing to like beefy in hand. Also, thinner gauge metal. Display described as kind of like it doesn't look so like professional comparing to the Ironwood XL. And then for the Ironwood XL, you have better insulation for cold weather cooking. Heavier build feels more premium. So it kind of like, that's what you're actually getting with it. Also, thicker metal may resist warping better, and better temperature stability due to insulation, less chasing temperatures. But you have like double the price, heavier the weight. On both, you're gonna have like accessories. So these are kind of like the important things to be aware of if you want to like actually get it. And even right here, we're gonna check the weight, like a little bit more heavier on side. So, and you see right here the Ironwood capacity, you get like 4 chickens, a rib, a rex, 4 pork butts, and here you have like more space for cooking and more hopper capacity. And of course, on both you get like 10-year limited warranty, and a lot of the things are very similar. So it also really depends on a preference what you actually like need. So yeah, thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.